Hey there, welcome to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks for a healthier lifestyle. Are you tired of the constant struggle with calorie counting and restrictive diet plans that leave you feeling frustrated and deprived? Well, let me introduce you to a game changer in the world of weight loss, North Star Diet Shakes. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy and convenient it is to make a delicious chocolate shake using just a shaker cup. No blender, no mess, just pure simplicity. Imagine this. You're riding your bike through a beautiful park, feeling the breeze on your face and knowing you're on track with your weight loss goals. It's a wonderful feeling, isn't it? These shakes are only 100 calories each, yet they are packed with high-quality protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. No more mid-morning hunger pangs or afternoon energy slumps. North Star Diet Shakes come in 5 fantastic flavors that cater to every taste bud. Chocolate, vanilla, chocolate mint, mocha, and strawberry. Whether you crave something rich and indulgent or light and fruity, there's a flavor for you. With fewer choices, you eat less, thanks to the stimuli narrowing theory, which has been proven effective for over 30 years. This theory helps you make simpler, healthier choices without feeling overwhelmed. North Star has been a trusted name in weight loss for over 25 years, helping countless individuals achieve their goals and transform their lives. Whether you need meal replacements or a physician-supervised program, North Star offers a range of options to support your unique journey. Our team of experts is here to guide you every step of the way. Picture this, you're sipping on a creamy chocolate shake while working on your computer. It's not just a meal replacement, it's a moment of indulgence that fits seamlessly into your busy day. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about embracing a lifestyle that you genuinely enjoy. A lifestyle that includes delicious shakes, regular physical activity, and a positive mindset. So why wait? Take the first step towards a healthier, happier you by trying North Star Diet Shakes today. You'll be amazed at how easy and enjoyable weight loss can be. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and tricks on living your best life. We're here to support you every step of the way. See you next time.